Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Leetcode 56, which is merged intervals. So let's read the question. Given an array of intervals where intervals I equal to start I and end I. So it will be a vector which will be consisting of two elements. One will be the start of the interval and another will be the end of the interval. Merge all the overlapping intervals and return an array of non-overlapping intervals that cover all the interval in the input. So whatever interval you will be given in that intervals, you will have to merge all the overlapping intervals and return an array of intervals which are non-overlapping. So let's see the example justice. So it is given interval 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, and 15, 18. So the output is 1, comma 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. How this output is? Since interval 1, 3 and 2, 6 overlap, we can see this 1, 3 and 2, 6. These are overlapping. So we can merge this interval to 1, comma 6. 1, comma 6. And another is 8, 10 and 15, 18. So these all are non-overlapping. So this is our output. So let's discuss the approach. So you will be given the interval. So it is not, so it is it is not sure whether they are in the sorted form or not. So first thing you have to do is sort the interval on the basis of this first means starting of the interval. Okay. So the first example test case is sorted and another is also sorted. So but it is not sure that all the test cases, in all the test cases, whether the will be sorted or not. So we will sort the interval on the basis of the starting of the interval. So, okay, so after that, what we will do, we will take a vector. We will take a resultant vector, or we can take a stack also. I'm taking vector, and in that vector, suppose that is resultant vector. So in that vector, I will push this first element. Okay. So it will be 1, comma 3. And I will run a loop and I will start that loop from the first index, from index 1. And I will check the element that I am having in my resultant array, whether it's ending and the starting of the interval, starting of the index that I'm processing is overlapping or not. So we can see that 3 and 2. So 3 is greater than this 2, means these are overlapping. So what I will do, uh, I will replace this 3. I will replace this 3 with the max of this 6 and 3. Because if these two intervals are overlapping, then it is sure that the interval that I will form, that will start from 1 only. Because these are all in the sorted form. So the the interval that I am having first, its starting will be lesser than the next one. So it is sure that it will start with 1. I need to decide where it will end. Okay. Suppose there can be case that suppose there can be case that first interval is 1, 3 and another is 1, 2. So we have sorted on the basis of starting index. So it will sort like this, 1, 3. Suppose if it's sorted like this, then in that case, this is greater. Okay, this is greater, means this interval is coming inside this. So we can't take this two as the ending of our merge interval. because this is 3. This can also be the end of our merged interval. So in that case, what I will do, I will take max of both the intervals ending. Means whichever will be max. This is my interval 1 and this is my interval 2. So I will take the max of ending of both the interval. So here it is 3 and here it is 6. So I will take max of 3 and 6. So whatever merge interval I form will start with 1 and end with 6. So I will replace this 3 with 6 and I will move to next index, which is 18. And now again I will check whether this interval and the interval at the end of resultant array I'm having, whether it is overlapping or not. So it is 6 and it is ending on 6 and this interval is starting on 8. So it is not interval. So simply I will push this interval to my array, resultant array. So it will be 8 can. Okay, so let me clear. So now next element is 15, 18. So again, I will compare whether 10 and 15 are overlapping or not. So it is not overlapping. So I will push this to my resultant array. So it will be 15 and 18. So yeah. So this is our result. So now let's discuss the code. Let me clear the screen. Yes. Yes. So at the beginning, I have sorted the interval that we are provided. We have sorted, and after that, we have taken a resultant vector, and I have pushed the zeroth index of the interval to our resultant. And I am running a for loop starting with one, and uh, I'm I'm calculating this index means finding uh, which till which index we have in our resultant array. So it is resultant dot size resultant array dot size -1. That will be our last index. So in if condition, I'm checking the last index or the ending of the interval is greater than the interval that I am. Is it greater or equal to? So if it is, it will be greater than equal to, then it is overlapping. So in that case, I'm just replacing the ending of the interval with the max of both the interval that I'm merging. If it is not overlapping, then simply I'm pushing it into my resultant vector. So time complexity for this will be O of n, as we are running a single for loop for iterating the interval array. And space complexity will be O of n, which is for resultant array. So let's run this code. Let's submit it. Yeah, so it passed all given test cases, means all the test cases. So thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share.